Alright guys, so this is the kit. As you can see, this is SWCHL05, designed for Holden Captiva, and how to program it and to do the thing. So I am installing this unit, which is an Xtron TR771L. It is actually very easy to install. The kit comes and connects between the factory harness, which is coming from the car, to over here, and then from here to here is the DNA kit. This is the small box that you get. Now the instructions does not actually say on the box that key 1, key 2, but the pin configuration that you need is like this. So on the top is the brown cable, on the bottom I have connected gray. The top one, which is brown, I have connected it to key 2 on this specific unit. Here it is. And the bottom one, I have connected it to key 1. I do not have to connect any ground cable to it, which is the ground for there, and it pretty much works straight away. I have configured on this unit. It is actually pretty easy on this unit to configure. So sorry if the unit drops down. So I'll go to apps. I've gone to steering wheel settings, and here you can see the things which are items which are already connected. So I will start it again. Start, clear, everything is gone. So volume up, and then you can see it's gone down. So I do volume down, and I'm gonna press the button up, and you can see it gets selected. Then mode, so first select on the unit, press the mode button here, and that's selected. Seek, I will just set it up on next. You press seek, that's done. And then power button if they really want to use it, power, and that's done. Now once all these things are done, we'll just press end here, and that's all selected. Now if we go down, we go to music, where you can see that's going. If I click on power, so first time I press power button, it basically mutes. If I press it again or hold it down, it's gonna switch the unit off, which we don't want to do. I will just turn the power on. Mode, so see, you can see that the unit is now switching. It's just loading up the navigation, it's switching the modes. Yep, that's gonna start up. There we go. GPS antenna is not connected at the moment. We go to music, so we're back to what we had. We go here, go to radio, and then it's just start searching. There we go. That was a short video on how to install DNA harness, which is SWCHL05 to suit Holden. It suits Vectra, Xtra, and Captiva. I believe Vectra, Xtra as well, but I will check the please do check on the manual what it says. So yeah, so if you are installing an aftermarket unit, which is not a self-learning unit, which is not a Pioneer, Sony, or anyone, this is the key configuration you need. The top one is key 2, the bottom one is key 1, and these are the pin number, the left two most pins on the kit. Thank you, bye bye.